Here you can learn how to use Move the Turtle iOS app commands and start coding. The first command is Move. It allows the turtle to move forward. Use the slider to adjust the distance. Each command has an advanced mode with more options. Toggle the mode by tapping the green icon on the left side of the command. For the Move command, advanced mode allows adjusting the distance with higher precision, or double tap on the slider to enter the value using keyboard. You can also use the pen button to lift up the pen. Another command related to moving the turtle is Turn. It allows turtle to turn left or right. In the advanced mode you can adjust the exact angle using helper buttons. Drawing attributes can be set using Pen command. It allows to lift the pen up if you don't want to draw a line. Advanced options allows also to draw thicker line. To make more interesting projects, a drawing color might be changed with the Color command. Select one of the 4 standard colors, or choose any color that you like from the palette in the advanced mode. The bucket button allows to fill with the selected color an object that will be drawn below. To repeat some commands multiple times, you can add a loop to your code using the Repeat command. Adjust the number of repetitions, and 2 commands below the Repeat command will be repeated. You can change the number of repeated commands by using the arrow buttons in the advanced mode. You can save your project in the library and then use it again in your other project using the Procedure command. Select one of your saved projects and it will be used in your new project. In the advanced mode you can choose also example projects or projects shared by your friends. The result of the called procedure can be saved in a variable. The Sound command allows to play one of the 8 octave notes. In the advanced mode you can also add a pause between sounds if your song needs it. The Position command allows to move the turtle to the absolute position. You can combine the top, bottom and left, right buttons to set the position or select the exact coordinates in the advanced mode. All programming languages needs variables, so there is the variable command. You can set variables values and use them in other commands. In advanced mode you can use mathematic operators on variables to add or multiply them by tapping the equals button. Using the right command you can print a value of any of variables. In the advanced mode you can print any string that you want. The Condition command allows to execute 2 commands below if the condition is true. You can check the value of the variable, and if the value is as expected, commands below will be executed. In the advanced mode, you can compare variables with multiple operators and change the number of the conditional commands. Have fun experimenting with all those commands. Thank you for watching.